guys, welcome back to Tractor Hoarders. Today we're going to be picking up another tractor to add to the collection. This one is a 1939 John Deere Model B. It hasn't been running for many years, possibly decades, so this should be an interesting one to dig into. I'm here today with my new friend Eldon, and I came over here because he has a John Deere, which is a 1939 Model B.
Model B.
And that's a new project that we're going to be working on. So that belonged to your dad.
My dad bought it in I think 87 or 88. It had a mower on it, and he bought it so he could mow some land that had brush on it and saplings on it. He thought the sickle mower would work really well on all the stuff, and it sure did. So he was very happy with it. He ran it for a couple of years doing that, and then just parked it in a shed. And then 2007, he started taking it apart. So he was 82 at that point. Started taking it apart, got it quite a bit, all the sheet metal off from it, and then he passed from an aneurysm, so he never finished it. So it's still in parts. It's been that way since 2007. I got it out here from Wisconsin. He was in Wisconsin, I'm out here in Colorado, and I got it out here. My brother-in-law, Chuck Zabel, brought it out for me on a trailer. I was thinking I was always going to restore it, but now I realized I just never will do it. So I'm happy to have Hans here have it and get it restored and working again. So that'll be awesome.
Yeah, it might take a little bit. I've been looking at it, and there's some things we definitely need to address, and we'll focus in on the engine first, but it should be a great project, and I'm looking forward to digging into it and hopefully hearing this thing run again.
Yeah, doing some videos. I'd love to hear it run again.
Oh, absolutely.
It's been a long time.
We will make videos on it. What year did you bring it out here from Wisconsin?
Thinking about 2020.
Oh, okay.
So it's been out here 4 years now.
Okay.
And I kept thinking, I gotta find somebody to work on it, and I got so much to do here now that, and I'm getting older, so just not gonna get to it.
Makes sense.
Yep.
And then you had said you had mowed with it with the sickle bar
mower
also.
Back in 88, 89.
So you spent
some
time
mowing
on
with it. Yeah. It worked great. It was a great tractor.
Yeah. Did you use any other implements with it other than the sickle bar mower?
No, it came with a sickle mower attached to the back of it, and that's how we kept it the whole time.
Okay.
Now come back some more.
thank you, Eldon. It was a pleasure meeting you, and I appreciate all the help with getting this tractor loaded.
Yeah.
You got some great help here, so
Yep.
much appreciated.
It's been quite an experience meeting you. I'm very glad we've met.
Yes, I'm
I think we'll
pleased
be
as well.
friends for many years.
Yep, I agree, and we'll keep in touch. If there's anything around here you ever need help with that I can help, I'm happy to do that. Just reach out to me.
Okay.
All
Sounds
right.
good.
All right. Thank
Thanks,
you so
Hans.
much. So we finally got this thing loaded up. It was a pretty big chore. Didn't want to move, and then actually the steering on it's froze up. So I've actually never observed that in one of these tractors before, so that made it a little more challenging as well, as I'm sure you can imagine. Can't wait to start digging into this thing, checking it out, and we're going to post videos along the way of the process it takes to get this thing running again. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you're subscribed and following. Leave me a like and leave me a comment down below. What do you think is going to be the toughest part of this refurbishment? Have you ever done anything like this? So I hooked the G up to this B, and we're hooked up to the 3-point hitch here. Let's see what happens if we raise the hitch. We're raising the B. This would be a good way to just tote it around here so I can get it into a better spot.